Hey guys, and welcome today to another day of me trading. Yesterday wasn't so good, obviously. I had the wrong bias, and let's see if today is different. Let's start with the weekly chart. We do have, in fact, a level of resistance, quote unquote, here. Mm, I would permit price to go to the midpoint of it, but I do not want to see price go above. It could close it completely, but I would rather like to see it fall short at or at least around the um, midpoint of this level. And on the daily, let's see, on daily, the midpoint would be the beginning of this Conqueror Crunchment cluster here, which is from those two, the range from this midpoint to this midpoint, like the midpoint of this wick and the midpoint of this wick here. And yeah, so basically what I want to see is the price going up there to the cluster and then falling short of it. Mm, yeah, so I would like to see price reacting on this level. And hold on, I have to, um, I lost it. Yeah, so basically I want price to give me some sign of weakness here on the low of the cluster. And this would be as well around those relative equal highs here. So, and also at the midpoint of this fair value gap. So here again, we have a cluster of levels which are, or at least which should be resistance, which should act as resistance. And yeah, let's see if they give me some reason to go short here. I would like to see that, but let's see how this turns out. I don't think that we have some important news anymore today, do we? Oh yeah, we got some at 10. We have consumer confidence, we have new home sales and Richmond Manufacturing Index. So these could have a moderate impact on price. Well, let's see. Let's have a look at the 15-minute chart. Are we through? Yeah, we're through with the higher time frames. On the 15-minute chart above us is nothing anymore because obviously the time when price was at this level is um, long ago, like it's from the beginning of this month, and that's why I don't have any more levels to it yet. I do think we should have another, yeah, there we go. we have another new week opening gap, but yeah, that's even higher. So nothing what is nothing what is interesting for us now. So let's look at the 15-minute chart. We do have we had a long consolidation today. Some minor ones and one big one, like the consolidation within this dealing range here, was holding strong until the third quarter of the London range before we took out this low here, to go higher. And I do think this was the real move. This is tricking people into higher prices, but I do not want to make anything until we, let's see, but I want price to give me some real measure of heaviness here before I open up any trade. So I I will not take any trade until 10 a.m. I will sit on my hands and just tape read. So far we took out the high with the on the Dow with the latest move, and in the S&P and in the Nasdaq they are still there and still in play. Like only the Dow was able to take them out. Also, we have kind of a breaker here in the 4 hour. This one here. Is it? No, it's not. No. Never mind. It's lower. I thought it's slightly higher, but it's not. That's something I really like, because right now the dollar is going in the opposite direction as the Nasdaq is doing. And that's exactly what I want to see. So we have 2 minutes left until the opening bell is ringing. We go lower again, just a few minutes or rather seconds before we see the real opening, which indicates to me that price wants to go lower and the opening range, but yeah, I will see. I will not jump blindly in because I do think we will first go higher at 9:30 before we maybe go lower. We do have this huge displacement here. Maybe not that huge. It's 20 points, but it's huge enough. We open. We opened right now. So let's see what price is doing so far. There we go. We wicked lower, but in general, now we go higher, I guess. I do think we will go above this one here, at least. I just want to draw out the opening range. Let me see. This is the 401.25. 401.25. There we go. And this one should be at 372.75. This here is the opening range. You see we have a strong reaction at the half point of it, where we go higher from. Let's see how price is reacting. We do not have a fair value gap from the opening yet. We have this opening range gap. We'll go here. And um, Man, today I'm not really concentrated. Yeah, so basically we did respect the um, midpoint of this range, and also we traded higher, but wicked a lot to the upside, which indicates weakness to me. And on the other hand, we traded lower, but price wasn't able to dig deeper into the first return of the value gap from the 5th of March. So I still do think we first move will be higher. If we before we go lower, if we go lower, I'm not sure about that yet. Let's see. So this one here, where is 930? It's here is our opening range gap. And we still don't have first percentage fair value gap, but we have two volume imbalances. This one here and this one here. So so there we go. Move higher for higher prices. Let's see. Price is reacting there. Price isn't really strong, but it's weak neither. So far it's not giving me real data to build on. As I said, I will stick to just tape reading until 10 a.m. news are published, and after that maybe I would consider doing anything. What am I doing here? That's wrong. It's the 25th of March. There we go. So bodies are not able to close even inside of the first return of value gap so far. Let's see. So price is wicking a lot today again. I don't really like this. So we're pretty strong here. We go way more up than I thought we would, and way stronger. So let's see. We could use this as a break right now. It would definitely make sense. So let's see. Let's see if we do so. And this could be an inversion level here. Let's see. There we go. Well, it's not, I guess. It's not, I guess. But let's see. So we go lower again. Now, due to the fact that we moved away from price a good amount of points, I want to see some reaction as soon as we start touching the first return hour for value gap from today, like we had it here. And Yeah, so we moved down with a huge wick. And this could be the low of our macro. And now we test price from the downside. I want to see higher prices. Is this the real last? Yeah, it's the second previous last week's low. I would like to see price going through this and then higher, instead of going higher right now. So it could do so, but I would not want to see that. But anyway, like until 10, I do not take any trades. So I just tape read. What price could do. How much is this in terms of points? It's 3 points. Yeah, that's not that much, but compared to the overall price action, I guess it's okay, and it's permissible as well. Permittable, not permissible. I mean, some would say that this here is with more value to it. So we can add this one too, just to see how price will react here. But I do not really give too much about this one here. By the way, the level we are trading right now at or around is the last day high after midnight from Monday. But we do not really respect the first 3-time hour fair value gap from today. Let's see. Price wants to do here. We do go lower, which is good. Even more due to the fact that we have this nice buy side here. But I'm not really sure, like, maybe it's again one of these just one-sided days where it just goes in one direction. Hold on, I want to have a look for something. So this here. Yeah, so basically on the NQM, we already touched the level. You can see it. Hold on. There we go. Wick through it. So there could be a reversal here. But in any case, I do not want to trade this so far. It would be very surprising to me if we would just deal lower without going higher to at least touch the cluster of the midpoint of the wicks or the relative equal highs. Because in long term, I do think we will go lower. And it's kind of suspicious to me that we'll leave those levels open. It's a pretty nice move here. So this is the inversion here. I want to see a retest and the reaction of it. As soon as we leave it and re-enter it, I would like to see some reaction. And as soon as we are above the real-time ultra value gap, I would take a long. Yeah, somewhere to 428. Like only, how much is this? 20 points? 30. And leaving a runner in case it hits the relative equal highs. I do not want price to see it go below the here the inversion level. So let's see. Yeah, but we can delete this one, I guess, and this one as well. And as soon as we close this, I will enter. There we go. Typical. That's that's fucked up. Why? Not able to set a trade. That's beautiful. Fuck this. Unbelievable. Yeah, of course it goes in my direction. Fuck it. Why the fuck isn't it possible? Yeah, great. Are you kidding me? On trade weight itself, it's possible. That's a joke. That's a fucking joke. The worst thing is to see your fucking trade going into your direction after you weren't able to take it. Why the fuck is trading you such a bitch? I'm tripping. That's so unreal. Never, never, this never happened to me. I never even saw this fucking error code. Well, fuck it. It's done. It is how it is. I'm so pissed, man. Like as soon as we retest now from below, I would go short, but we have to close below it and give me some sign that we go short, and I will fucking do it and trade away directly, so there can't be any issue no more. And maybe I will do the future only and trade away, so this shit cannot happen anymore. We have an inversion level here. Whoops. I would take this one and not even let it go to the real-time orphan value gap, because I do think the inversion level would be enough if we close below it and leave something open. That's so fucking annoying. I would go short if price would hit the 394 level again. Before that, I wouldn't do anything. I'm not sure if I should take the trade or if it's just a revenge trade. Because, yeah, we have too much speaking against this trade. We also around, I guess it should be 50% of this price range. Yeah, I'm not. I'm out. I'm not doing anything. That was my trade. Price hasn't filled me, so let's leave it. That's so fucked up, man. By the way, this is German. It's trade await maintenance, and they write it looks like we have a problem or a technical issue with integration of trade await. We're in contact with the broker to solve the problem so you can trade again. I'm sorry for the circumstances. Fuck you. Oh, this is fucked up. I can't believe it. It's really unbelievable. I can't believe it. Well, anyway, I have to write it in my fucking journal, even if trade wasn't fulfilling. So, where was my entry? It was this one here. Take profit was here, and stop loss was here. And even how beautiful it would have been filled. Fast. Fucking fast. But no, thank you, TradingView. At least I got evidence that I pushed the button, but been rejected. So that's how I um, draw my levels. to know where and why I entered. And afterwards, I print it out and glue it into my journal. The thing which is fucking me up isn't that I haven't been filled. I mean, that's okay and fuck it. But the thing which is annoying me is I fucking had a row of losses, and this trade would have made it all to zero again, right? And exactly the first positive trade after a row of losses does not get filled because of maintenance, right? Not even because I do not push the button or because I have done some stupid shit or my bias was wrong or everything which is what is my fault. I can fucking live with it, but not fulfilling the trade because of maintenance. Come on, you can tell me that when I fucking log in my trading view and not when I try to set a market order. That's really annoying. Like, I don't get it. I don't get it why they can't inform you beforehand and only give you the fucking information when you set a trade. I guess this live stream will have even lower rate of viewers. I don't think YouTube will bring this to the recommend website with all those insults, but whatever. I don't know. So I do not think that I will take any trade anymore today. I think that's it. Everything I would do would just be out of revenge and it would make no sense. So let's just tape read. I do think we will attack the relative equal highs here um, before we fall short. And I honestly do not think that we will go very much higher. Like, I do think it's a maximum of 100 points from here. Let me see how much this would be in terms of the daily range. So it's only 82 points from the opening itself. And if we go from the London low to the highest point, it's 154.5. So we're not even near to the 500 ATR. I mean, I do not think we have to reach 500 points for the daily range, but I do think we will reach at least 300. Like 100 points would be miserable. Anyway, let's continue. So this here would have been my stop loss on the low of the um, inversion. So market is in fact very, very bullish here. We have an inversion here to the upside. So I do really not think that we should go below it, at least until we took out the high on 20,500. I just can't imagine that we will go below this level. Let's see. Oh fuck, I forgot something. But anyway, why is the volume coming out of the... There we go. Now you have to participate at my journaling, if you like it or not. So basically I just turn everything into white. So the printer has not to print gray. Well, that was fucking stupid. There we go. All right, price isn't really doing anything, right? Just going sideways the last few minutes inside of this huge wick. All right, I can take down those levels. Those are not. Oh, this one we need still. This one I can delete this one. Okay, so we have a buy side with relative equal highs here. So this whole movement to the upside that's pretty nice. It's pretty clean. Yeah, I think I will close the stream. I got a lack of concentration, and it makes no sense to just watch blindly the charts without any idea, because I'm with my mind somewhere else, and it makes no sense to just be here and watch dump into the charts. So I will stay to see what the 1030 macro, no, 1020 to 1040 macro is doing. And yeah, like in 30 minutes, I will end the stream. We have a nice volume imbalance here at 15 minutes. And I could imagine that we use either the 1020 to 1040 macro or the 1050 to 1110 macro to I do think we rather use the 1050 to 1110 macro would make more sense, because if we don't take out this high, 11 could retrace into this leg up and use the new week opening gap and the volume imbalance as a, yeah, there we go. So never mind. It makes no sense no more due to the fact that we took out the high. So basically the idea was that price will go down and use this as a trampoline to go higher, but would have made only would only have made sense if we left this open, but we did not. The good thing is, even if we um, go much higher from here, I don't really care, or it doesn't really annoy me any much more, because like this here would have been my take profit one, and I would have left one contract as a runner open, but I would have been stopped out here. And yeah, so basically I, I I would have been already done with the trade. So everything price is doing from now on, I'm fine with it, and I can even change it that price hasn't that trading view hasn't allowed me to enter the trade, so it is what it is. Yo, that's fucking stupid. Look at this. If I look at the higher time frames and I activate back adjustment here, it completely throws off my levels. But only from here on, like these are all staying the same, but these ones not. I do really think I will switch from NQ1 to NQM. I do think I will take the other contracts which are not rolling over by themselves. I think that's uh, way more clearer for for analyzing than this is. So we go back down. Unattached from what price will do now, I will end in 7 minutes. Yeah, well, I guess this makes no sense. Um, I will end here, and I will be there tomorrow at 9:15, I guess. Hold on. It's today, tomorrow. Tomorrow at 8:30 we got news, so I will be here at around 9:15, I guess. So until then, I wish you a nice time and have a good day. And I hope your trading is doing better than mine today.